Exercise 9.3 plus 2 mathematics, question number 2. In that fourth problem, evaluate the integral using properties of integration. So the question is integral 0 to 2 pi x log 3 plus cos x divided by 3 minus cos x into dx. So now let I is equal to integral 0 to 2 pi x log 3 plus cos x by 3 minus cos x into dx. So we know that integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. Okay, so this is one of the property. So we are going to make use of this property. Okay, now what happens is this I is equal to integral 0 to 2 pi. See, in the place of x, we have to replace by 2 pi minus x. Therefore, here we have x, so this will become 2 pi minus x into log 3 plus cos. In the place of x, we have to replace by 2 pi minus x. So cos 2 pi minus x divided by 3 minus cos 2 pi minus x into dx. Because the property states that 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x. So in our problem we have a as 2 pi. So wherever we have x, it will be replaced by 2 pi minus x. That's how we got this equation. Also we know that cos 2 pi minus x is equal to cos x. This we already know. Therefore, in the place of cos 2 pi minus x, it will be replaced by cos x. Okay. So cos 2 pi minus x is equal to cos x. This we know. Therefore, I is equal to 0 to 2 pi 2 pi minus x log. So here cos 2 pi minus x, that will be replaced by cos x. So 3 plus cos x by 3 minus cos x into dx. Now this can be split into two integrals. 2 pi into log 3 plus cos x divided by 3 minus cos x into dx, that is one integral. Another one will be minus x log 3 plus cos x divided by 3 minus cos x into dx. So this can be split into two integrals. So it will be I is equal to 0 to 2 pi. This 2 pi is multiplied with this term. So 2 pi into log 3 plus cos x by 3 minus cos x into dx. Then we have the second integral. So here we have minus sign. So minus integral 0 to 2 pi x log 3 plus cos x divided by 3 minus cos x into dx. Now if you carefully watch this term, this integration is nothing but I. So if you see here, we have declared I is equal to 0 to 2 pi x log 3 plus cos x divided by 3 minus cos x into dx. So this integral can be written as same integral here also. This can be written as I. Therefore we have I is equal to 2 pi integral 0 to 2 pi log 3 plus cos x by 3 minus cos x into dx. That is, this constant 2 pi is taken outside, and this term is nothing but I, minus I. Okay, bring this minus I term to the other side. So this will become 2I is equal to 2 pi integral 0 to 2 pi log 3 plus cos x by 3 minus cos x into dx. So here 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. I am calling this equation as equation number 2. Okay. Now we know that we will be making use of another property. We know that integral 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of x dx if f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x. So this is another property. So this condition is valid only if f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x. So what we are going to do is, we call this as f of x. See, log 3 plus cos x divided by 3 minus cos x. This I am calling it as f of x. Okay. So we must verify whether this f of x is equal to f of 2a minus x. So for that, first we will write down f of x is equal to log 3 plus cos x by 3 minus cos x. So now we have written f of x. We must verify for f of 2 pi minus x, because here the upper limit is 2 pi. So 2 pi minus x is equal to log, wherever you see x, it has to be replaced by 2 pi minus x. So log 3 plus cos 2 pi minus x divided by 3 minus cos 2 pi minus x. So this is nothing but log 3 plus cos x, because cos 2 pi minus x is cos x. We already saw 3 minus cos x. Now if you look into f of x and f of 2 pi minus x, here are the result here and here both are equal. That is, f of x is equal to f of 2 pi minus x. So this condition is verified. Therefore, this equation can be written as, that is equation 2 can be written as, so this is just a verification to apply the property. Okay. Now, so from equation 2, we have I is equal to pi 0 to 2 pi log 3 plus cos x divided by 3 minus cos x into dx. So if you look into the formula, if it is 0 to 2a, here it will become 0 to a, that is half of this, and it is multiplied by 2. Therefore, here we have 0 to 2 pi. So this can be written as 0 to pi multiplied by 2 f of x dx. That's what I am going to write now. So this will become, from equation 2, therefore from equation 2, so what is equation 2? I is equal to pi 0 to 2 pi log 3 plus cos x by 3 minus cos x into dx. Now making use of the property, so this equation will be multiplied by 2. So already we have pi, and this will be half of this upper limit, that is 2 pi divided by 2, which is nothing but pi. So 0 to pi log 3 plus cos x by 3 minus cos x into dx. Okay, this is equation number 3. So once again we will going to use the property which we already know, 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. So this property we already know. So making use of this property, this equation will become I is equal to 2 pi 0 to pi log, so f of x will be replaced by f of a minus x. Here the upper limit is pi, so it will be replaced by pi minus x. So log 3 plus cos pi minus x by 3 minus cos pi minus x into dx. Okay. So making use of this property, equation 3 is rewritten like this. Okay. Next, so I is equal to 2 pi 0 to pi log 3 minus cos x by 3 plus cos x into dx. This is equation number 4. See, cos pi minus x is nothing but cos x. Okay, that's how we got this next step. Now adding third equation and fourth equation. Third equation we have here, fourth equation we have here. Left hand side we have I. Right hand side we have 2 pi 0 to pi log 3 plus x minus divided by 3 minus cos x. Here log 3 minus cos x divided by 3 plus cos x. Okay. Here cos pi minus x is nothing but cos 180 minus x. 180 minus x will fall in second quadrant, so it is minus cos x. Okay. So here also cos 180 minus x which is minus cos x. So minus of minus will become plus. So 180 minus x will fall in the second quadrant. Only sine and its inverse is positive. All others are negative. So therefore cos 180 minus x is minus cos x. Therefore the denominator term will become plus cos x. Okay. Now adding equation 3 and 4. So if you add I plus I is 2i. Right hand side if you add 2 pi integral 0 to pi log 3 plus cos x by 3 minus cos x plus log 3 minus cos x divided by 3 plus cos x into dx. So already we know the basic rules of logarithm, properties of logarithm. We know that log m plus log n is equal to log m into n. So here if you see, this is log m, this is log m, this term is m and this term is n. So log m plus log n, we can write it as log m into n. So here 2 gets cancelled. Therefore I is equal to integral, you have pi 0 to pi log m into n. M is what? 3 plus cos x by 3 minus cos x into 3 minus cos x by 3 plus cos x into dx. Now these terms gets cancelled and we have I is equal to pi integral 0 to pi log 1 into dx. So we know that log 1 is 0. Okay. So I is equal to pi 0 to pi log 1 is 0. So 0 dot dx. That is I is equal to pi into 0. I is equal to 0. Now what is I? I we already declared. I is equal to 0 to 2 pi x log 3 plus cos x by 3 minus cos x into dx. So the value is 0. So the answer for the given problem is 0. Thank you.